It's that time of the year where we meet every day for the entire month of October to create a fun project, to learn, to explore, and most importantly, to experience joy and mindfulness. For those of you who are new here, I'm SANDHYA MANNE. I'm an artist and a certified Zentangle teacher. In this channel, we talk about creating and practicing Zentangle, my own Zentangle inspired artworks and collectibles. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you'd not miss out on any videos that I post here. I'm super thrilled to announce Ornate Squares, a series of fun projects exploring the squares. The concept of Ornate Squares is inspired by a combination of things. So after our blast with Zendala Joy last year, I wanted to explore a similar concept on a square tile. So my inspiration has been the beautiful square carvings on the pillars of Hindu temples, the intricately designed Moroccan tiles, and your request to explore Renaissance style. For this project, we will be working on a regular white square tiles, the 3.5-inch square tiles, and a black pen, a brown pen, and a white gel pen. So we will be creating a Renaissance look on our ornate squares. And you see, I'm matching it up. Starting this Friday, the 1st of October, I will be posting a project in the form of a video on my YouTube channel at SANDHYA MANNE Studio. So every day at 8 p.m. India time, I will be sharing a project. I've created a PDF with 31 strings that we will be using for this series throughout this month. You can access that against a nominal fee of USD $10 or INR rupees 750. This helps me put this project together and bring this out to you. So log on to www.sandhyamannestudio.com/ornate square and join the fun by making a payment of either USD $10 or INR rupees 750 and get that instant download of 31 strings PDF. Once you receive your PDF, I want you to trace them onto your white square tiles, the 3.5-inch square tiles, and have them ready for our projects throughout this month. The projects are available on a YouTube channel for watching and you can tangle along even without the PDF. However, the PDF will make it easier and more fun to work with. I am so grateful for your support. We are now a 5,000 plus community here, and I hope you will continue your support throughout this series as well. Log on to www.sandhyamannestudio.com/ornate squares and join the fun. Continue watching the space for more details regarding this series. Until then, remember to breathe and smile. See ya. Namaste.